Hey, what's up everybody? This is FrogZilla here, and today we are here to review the Viking Bags Aero Expandable Medium Size Sissy Bag. I got it in a couple days ago, so it got here in pretty good time, and we're going to be testing and reviewing this bag. As you can see here, I've already have a pile of stuff. I have enough stuff that I would consider for at least a 2-week trip. So after we open this up, we're going to shove all this in there real fast and see if it'll hold what I think you would need on a 2-week trip. So let's see. Instructions. We need instructions. We don't need that. Let's see here. Well, looks like it's made pretty good. We got 4 pockets. Got 3 straps in the back. Big hole for your sissy, where your sissy bar goes down into. Ooh, that's Velcro, so you can tighten it. Let's see here. It's got good Velcro. Good. There you go. Make it a little wider if you need to. That's nice. Buckles look good and strong. I'm pulling on them pretty good. Let's see. Got these buckles that hold it down. They're even bigger. Yeah. Pretty nice. Let's open the top up here. Zipper seems alright. The material feels nice. Oh look, mine's black inside. Everybody else has got orange. Let's see here. Go ahead and take this out. Close this. Sorry about that. The strap must be in the other. Alright. So the straps and all that are in there. Does that come up here? No, it's just, we got 1 pocket. Dimensions are, its length is 15 inches, its width is 11 inches, and its height is 18 inches. It has 1,312 inches of storage, and it's seems to be a pretty nice bag. The zippers work. I pulled on these, all the clips pretty hard. As you saw, I had a little interruption with the sound, so I had to restart. But anyhow, let me hold this down here. Grab a flashlight so you can. It's black, so I know it's a little hard to see the inside of it. It doesn't have any extra pockets or anything on the inside that I can see or feel. Nope. It's a pretty good size bag. It's bigger than I thought it would be. And the Aero bags are made out of Viking leather, which is a kind of a soft leather. It's supposed to be waterproof, or at least water resistant. And the company's been around for 17 years. So it should be, they've been around for a minute, so it should be pretty quality. I don't see nothing wrong with the stitching. I don't see no threads sticking out. You know, you can always tell if it's good made if you don't see no strings hanging off the stitching anywhere. let's pack this thing up and see what all we can get. Now, like I said, this is stuff for 2 weeks. You can lock them if you need to. You can lock these if you need to. I don't know if these are supposed to be carry straps. I really don't see any carry straps. It didn't come with a carry strap, I don't think. Just the two big. Nope, there's a carry strap right there. It does have a carry strap. He figured it out without instructions. There we go. I'd say that's where it goes. And you get, boom. So what do y'all think? I think it's pretty nice bag for a budget-friendly bag. Has a little double hole where you can put a lock right there. I was just thinking you could just lock the zippers up, and it has two eyes that come together so you can put a lock on this part of it. So I appreciate Viking Bags bringing this to me, sending this to me for me to try out. This is the Velcro part. You can expand this. You got a wider sissy bar with a cushion on it. Or if you just got a straight bar, you could probably, if you was camping, shove that in there with your sissy bar with a couple bungee cords. Tell me that wouldn't work. Tell me that wouldn't work. Yeah, I think this is, I'm impressed so far. Like I said, it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. The leather's soft, seems durable, the stitching's nice, the zippers are nice, they're not the old plastic ones. It's got good straps, it's all adjustable. You could actually, guys, don't tell your wife, you could actually go get groceries in this thing. Tell me you couldn't get a week's worth of groceries in here, especially how much they cost now. You could get a week's worth of groceries in this, but you know. And this is FrogZilla saying, please go to www.vikingbags.com. But their website's really neat. When you look at, if you put in what kind of motorcycle you got, when you look at some of the parts, like the saddlebags, it'll show a bike like yours with that saddlebag on it. So you know what it looks like on a bike similar to yours before you buy it, which is really neat. You're not buying it blind. They have all kinds of gear on there, motorcycle accessories and attire. They have like gloves, jackets, they have a dirt bike jacket, they have rain gear, saddlebags, travel bags. I know there's a few other things that I'm probably missing. So please go check them out at www.vikingbags.com. And this is FrogZilla saying, peace out of here.